Okay, ji, we are going to start now. So look at this. Look at
Assalamu
this
alaikum, sir.
cover, right? Cover of the story. Give me water. Cover of the story and tell me who is it? It's Chip. And who is it?
Beef.
It's Biff. And
Beef.
who is it?
Keeper. It is keeper. It is keeper.
It's a keeper. Well done.
It is keeper.
And what else can you see on this cover?
Dog. Dogs.
How many dogs?
Dog.
How many dogs you can see?
Many dogs.
Many dogs. Yes. So many dogs. Okay. So by the cover, what comes in your mind? What comes in your mind? Okay. What do you think the story is about? What do you think, right? The story is about. Story किस चीज के बारे में है? What do you think?
Dogs.
It is about dog.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So why these kids are there with the dogs? Why? They want new dog?
Hi, sir. Yes.
Okay. I think they want new dog. Perfect.
Hi.
Yes, I can listen you, Ahil. I'm asking about the cover of the page, cover of the story. What can you see? And what do you think the story is about, Ahil? Tell.
A new dog. Wait.
It is about a new dog.
Yes.
Why kids are there with the dog? Listen. Why are these kids with the dogs? Mute everyone. I'm talking with Ahil. Okay. So mute other kids. Okay. Mute yourself so that I can talk with Ahil. And after this, I'll start telling the story. Because everyone answered already. Ahil just joined. He is telling. Yes, Ahil, beta, tell. Why are these kids, Biff, Chip, and Keeper are there with the dogs?
Because they want a new dog.
Because they want a new dog?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. I think all kids actually told that these kids want a new dog. So let's see the story. Mute yourself. I tell you the story. And after this, you guys will tell the story, the same story in your own words. Okay, now we see. Okay, look at the next page and see. Keeper wanted a dog. This is Keeper and Keeper wanted a dog. Keeper को ना dog चाहिए, एक नया dog. इसीलिए वो मैगजीन और बुक में देख रहा है कि कौन सा डॉग लूं, कौन सा पेट रखूं, कौन सा क्या करूं. He is researching, he is reading something about dogs कि कौन सा dog लूं. Okay. Keeper wanted a dog. Who wanted a dog? Who wanted a dog? Keeper wanted a dog. Perfect. Now look at this page. Okay. Now look at this page and see. Everyone wanted a dog. You can see Dad, Biff, Chip, and Keeper, and Mom. Everyone wanted a dog. हर किसी को एक dog चाहिए. मतलब वो चाहते हैं कि एक dog हो हमारे घर के अंदर. अब now they are thinking about के कौन सा dog लें, कैसा dog लें, कहां से dog लें. But everyone wanted a dog. Okay, kids. Now look at the next page. What happened? Look, they went to the dog's home. Look, they are going and they went to a dog's home. वो सारे के सारे इकट्ठे होके डिसाइड किया अभी एक डॉग लेना है, अच्छे वाला एक डॉग लेना है. सबने कहा. अब वो डॉग लेने के लिए ना एक शॉप पे पहुंच जाते हैं, ठीक है, जिसको डॉग्स होम कहते हैं. सो दे वेंट टू डॉग्स होम. Where did they go? They went to the dog's home. Perfect. I think you people are getting. Okay, now look. They looked at the dogs. जब वो डॉग होम आ गए, डॉग्स होम आ गए, तो वो जो डॉग मैन था उसने कहा कि जी ये हैं हमारे सारे के सारे डॉग्स, आप लोग देखो और अपनी पसंद का डॉग चूज कर लो। तो अब सारे क्या कर रहे हैं, ऐसे करके देख रहे हैं। दे लुक्ड एट द डॉग्स। वेयर डिड दे लुक? दे लुक्ड एट द डॉग्स। वो डॉग्स को देख रहे हैं सारे के सारे मिलके, ताकि उनको अपनी पसंद का डॉग मिल जाए। अब देखें, कीपर कीपर पॉइंट कर रहा है, कीपर इज पॉइंटिंग टूवर्ड्स द डॉग्स कि यार ये डॉग ले लेते हैं, ये डॉग ले लेते हैं, ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है। एवरीवन इज एक्साइटेड, एवरीवन। ओके, चिप कहता है नहीं ये वाला ले लेते हैं, मम कहती है नहीं ये वाला ले लेते हैं, डैड कहते हैं नहीं ये वाला ले लेते हैं। ओके, एवरीवन एक्साइटेड एंड दे आर जस्ट looking at the dogs. Okay, I think you are getting. If you people are getting, just smile. I want to see smile on your faces. I just want to see smile on your faces if you are getting the story. Kids, smile. I can't see your smile. How can I know that you people are getting the story? Are you getting the story? Thumbs up. Are you getting, understanding the story? आपको स्टोरी समझ आ रही है किड्स? ओके, वेल डन। ओके, वेल डन। नाउ लुक, कीपर कहता है मुझे तो ये डॉग चाहिए, ये वाला डॉग चाहिए, कहता है। कीपर वांटेड दिस डॉग। लुक, कीपर वांटेड दिस डॉग। तो डैड कहते हैं योर ये तो बहुत बड़ा है। डैड कहता है इट वॉज टू बिग, इट वॉज टू बिग। ये तो बहुत बड़ा था, ये तो बहुत बड़ा था। ओके, ये नहीं ले सकते भाई, ये बहुत बड़ा है, ये नहीं ले सकते। ओके, अब बिफ कहती है, ये छोटा सा डॉग कहती है बिफ वांटेड दिस डॉग। बिफ बिफ वांटेड दिस डॉग। और मम सोचती है, ये देखो मम सोच रही है कि ये देखो मेरे पैरों के नीचे आएगा, मैं गिर जाऊंगी, मुझसे खाना गिर जाएगा सारा का सारा, तो हम ये छोटा डॉग तो नहीं ले सकते। तो मम कहती है इट वॉज टू लिटल, इट वॉज टू लिटल, आई वी कांट बाय दिस, इट वॉज टू लिटल। रिपीट आफ्टर मी, इट वॉज टू लिटल। ओके, या अपने आप को म्यूट रखें, अनम्यूट मत करें। वैसे आप रिपीट करते रहो, जो जो कुछ मैं मुझसे सुनते रहे, अपने आप को म्यूट रख के रिपीट करते रहें। ओके, ओके नाउ किड्स, अब ये ना बिग लेना इन्होंने। कीपर वांटेड दिस डॉग एंड इट वाज टू बिग, उन्होंने बिग भी नहीं लेना। एंड बिफ वांटेड दिस डॉग एंड इट वाज टू लिटल, वो भी नहीं लेना। अब मम्मा को ये वाला पसंद आ जाता है, मम्मा को। लुक, मम वांटेड दिस डॉग, मम वांटेड दिस डॉग। लुक, और ये सारे कहते हैं कि ये हम इसके साथ कैसे खेलेंगे। ये देखो सोच रहे हैं, ये कह रहे हैं कि ये तो बड़ा स्ट्रांग है, इसके साथ हम कैसे खेलेंगे, ये तो हमें गिरा देगा। अब देखो, चिप और कीपर सोच रहे हैं ओ इट वॉज टू स्ट्रांग। व्हाट आर दे थिंकिंग? रिपीट आफ्टर मी, इट वॉज टू स्ट्रांग, इट वॉज टू स्ट्रांग। यस, या अपने आप को म्यूट रख के रिपीट करते रहे बच्चों, अनम्यूट मत करें। मैं कंप्लीट कर लूं, फिर आपकी बारी आएगी, फिर आप स्टोरी सुनाओगे। ओके, अब आखिर में ना हर किसी को ये वाला आखिर में पसंद आ जाता है। एवरीवन लाइक दिस डॉग। आई एम टेकिंग टी विद माई session, okay? I am telling the story and taking tea together. Look, okay, I love tea after iftari. Okay? Who can offer me tea? Who can offer me tea? Who can offer me tea? No one can offer me tea? Okay, no problem. I can offer me tea. Okay? Okay जी, सबको ना ये वाला पसंद आ जाता है, और कहता है everyone like this dog. Everyone like this dog. हर किसी को ये पसंद आ जाता है। और वो देखो, ये लेके उसे घर आ जाते हैं। यस, वो लेके घर आ जाते हैं। They took the dog home. वो इसको लेके घर आ जाते हैं, वो इसको लेकर के घर आ जाते हैं। ओके, अब मैं आपसे पहले I will ask some question about the story, and after this you people will tell the story. Are you ready to answer the story? Answer the questions about the story? ओके, आपने अपने हैंड रेज करने हैं और मैं आप लोगों का नेम कॉल करूंगा, और जिस बच्चे का नाम मैं लूंगा, आई विल कॉल द नेम, द किड विल आंसर. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड आंसर. ओके, सो आई विल आस्क फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम आहिल. ओके, आहिल बेटा, टेल मी, व्हाट डिड कीपर वांट?
A dog.
Can you tell me in complete sentence, what did keeper want?
Keeper wanted a dog.
Thank you very much, Ahil beta. Thank you. Yeah, this is the answer. Keeper wanted a dog. Okay, mute yourself. The next question for the next question for Haris. Haris beta, unmute yourself and tell me, who wanted
Yes,
a dog? Who wanted a dog?
Everyone a dog.
Everyone wanted. Yeah, everyone wanted a dog. Very well done, Ahil beta. Not Ahil, I think Haris. Yeah, Haris. Thank you very much. The next name is Maham. Maham, unmute yourself and tell me, where did the family go? Where did the family go, Maham beta?
They went to the boy's home.
Yes, they went to the dog's home. Where did they go?
They went to the dog home.
Dog's home. Well done. Very well done. Mute yourself now. The next name is Ibrahim. Ibrahim, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Ibrahim, beta, are you there? Unmute yourself. Yes, Ibrahim. The question for you is, what did the children look at? What did the children look at?
They looked at the dogs.
They looked at the dogs. Well done. Thank you very much, Ibrahim. Okay, the next question is for, I think for Yashfa. Yes, Yashfa. Yashfa, beta, unmute yourself. Yes, Yashfa, unmute yourself. आई थिंक यस यशफा. यशफा, मुझे ये बताइए कि कीपर को कौन सा डॉग पसंद आया? विच डॉग डिड कीपर वांट? यस यशफा. विच डॉग डिड कीपर वांट? Keeper wanted a big dog. Keeper wanted a? I can't listen you, Yashfa beta. I'm sorry. Can you tell? Keeper wanted big dog. Okay. Okay. The next question for Ahil. Ahil, unmute yourself and tell, which dog did Biff want?
The small dog.
Okay. She wanted a small dog, a little dog. Okay, thank you very much. Now tell me, who is the next one? The next name is Maham. Maham, you can tell, which dog did Mom want?
Mom wanted this dog.
Okay, Mom wanted this dog, and it is
too strong.
it is too strong. It was too strong. Very good. Thank you very much. Mute yourself. The next question is for Haris. Yes, Haris, beta, unmute yourself and tell me, Which dog did everyone like?
This one is everyone likes the dog.
This dog, and this is yellow dog, right?
Yes.
What's the name of the dog?
Every like this dog.
Everyone like this dog. What is the name of the dog? हमने दूसरी स्टोरीज में इस डॉग का नेम भी पढ़ा हुआ है. We know the name of the dog. Who can tell?
Floppy. Floppy.
Floppy. Yes, this is Floppy. Perfect. Okay. The last question is for Ibrahim. Ibrahim, unmute yourself and tell me, what did the family do at the end? What did the family do at the end? Ibrahim. Yes, Ibrahim, beta. Yeah, Ibrahim. What did the family do at the end?
They took the dog home.
They took the dog home. वो उसको घर लेके चले गए. Very well done. Very well done. Thank you very much. You're doing very great job, guys. MashaAllah. Now I'll ask some question. कि अगर आपके पास डॉग हो, अगर आपको मौका मिले डॉग का, तो आपको फिर कौन सा डॉग रखना पसंद होगा? ठीक है, आई विल आस्क सम क्वेश्चन. हाउ डू यू टेक केयर? नहीं, if you had a dog, what would you name it? First tell me, who can tell me, if you had a dog, अगर आपके पास डॉग हो, what would you name it? उसको क्या नाम देंगे आप? मैं वन बाय वन आप सबसे पूछता हूं. So first name, Ahil. Ahil, unmute yourself and tell me, if you had a dog, what would you name it?
I would name it Marshall.
Marshall?
Yeah.
Wow, what a beautiful name. How did you take it? How do you like it?
I like it just Marshall. It's no, I mean not Marshall.
Okay.
Roxer.
Sorry?
Roxer.
Roxer?
Yeah.
Wow, what a dangerous name, Ahil beta. Okay, okay, ji. Ahil told Roxer. Dangerous name. Okay, who will tell next? Mom, you tell. If you had a dog, what would you name it? आपके पास अगर डॉग हो तो आप क्या नाम रखोगे उसका?
No.
Sorry, tell. Okay, ji. Yes, ma'am, beta, I didn't get you. Can you tell me the name of your dog? Maham. Okay, you think Haris? Yes, ma'am.
मेरे पास तो डॉग भी नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं, अगर आप डॉग रखें तो उसका क्या नाम रखेंगी? If you had a dog, what would you name it? थिंक करें, आप इसके ऊपर सोचें, मैं बाद में आता हूं आपके पास. हारिस, यू कैन टेल. इफ यू हैड अ डॉग, व्हाट वुड यू नेम इट?
टाइगर.
व्हाट?
टाइगर.
टाइगर. ओ, स्ट्रॉन्ग, पावरफुल. रॉक्सर, डेंजरस. टाइगर, पावरफुल. ओके, ओके, हु इज नेक्स्ट? इब्राहिम, यू कैन टेल. इफ यू हैड अ डॉग, व्हाट वुड यू नेम इट? इब्राहिम. या इब्राहिम, अयना अंता? Yes, Ibrahim, but are you there? Okay. Yes, ma'am. You want to say?
Sir, Poppy.
Bobby? I didn't get you.
Yes.
Bobby. Okay. Roxer, Tiger, and Bobby. What a different names. Okay. Ibrahim, are you there?
Sir, tiger किसका?
टाइगर है जी इसका हारिस का, रॉक्सर है इसका आहिल का, और आपका बोबी है। अब इब्राहिम का सुनते हैं। यस इब्राहिम, कैन यू प्लीज टेल इफ यू हैड अ डॉग व्हाट वुड यू नेम इट? यस इब्राहिम।
Michael. Michael.
माइकल। माइकल।
Yes.
Oh, Roxer, Tiger, Michael, Bobby. What are names? Okay, different names. Okay,
Different
see?
name.
I am learning a lot of ideas from you guys.
Different
Okay, जी.
name.
जी,
Different name.
yeah, different name. Now Yashwan, mute yourself and tell me, अगर आपके पास डॉग होगा तो क्या नाम रखोगे आप उसका? Yes, यशफान। Yes, यशफान। I didn't get you, Yashfa beta. So you can write into the chat if you can. Okay, ji, well done. Okay, the next question. How do you take care of a dog? आप अपने डॉग का टेक केयर कैसे करोगे, उसका ख्याल कैसे रखोगे? So I'll unmute yourself and tell me, how do you take care of a dog?
We feed him.
Sorry,
We feed him.
you feed him?
Yeah.
How and what?
Like dog food and milk or something.
Dog's food and milk you will feed him, right?
Yeah.
And what else you can do?
And I don't know. And
Okay.
nothing.
Okay, you think about if you have some idea at the end of the class, you can share, okay?
No, nothing.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for sharing. Okay, Maham, unmute yourself and tell me, how do you take care of a dog? Yes, Yashfa. Yes, Yashfa. सबसे पहले तो यशफा आप बताएं कि अगर आपके पास डॉग हो तो आप उसका क्या नाम रखोगी? If you had a dog, what would you name it?
Auntie.
Bunty? Okay, Bunty, Bobby, Tiger, Roxer, Michael. These are different names we got today. What a beautiful and different names. Thank you for sharing. Now tell me, यशफा कि अगर आपके पास डॉग हो तो आप उसका ख्याल कैसे रखोगी? How do you take care of a dog? कैसे ख्याल रखोगी? उसको खिलाओगी? Come closer to the mic. I can't listen you. Come closer. करीब आ जाओ और बताओ क्या करोगी उसका? उसे खाना खिलाओगी? ओके, यू कैन से आई फीड हिम। आई फीड हिम का मतलब है मैं उसे खिलाऊंगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर शेयरिंग यशफा। ओके, नाउ माम यू कैन टेल हाउ डू यू टेक केयर ऑफ अ डॉग?
सर इसका ख्याल रखूंगी।
हाउ, कैसे?
तो उसका रोजाना खाना दूंगी।
ओके, यू फीड हिम एंड you give him milk?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very
When
much.
is the class ending?
Yes, you want to leave, Ahel beta?
When are we finishing the class?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Want you leave or you just asking?
I'm just asking if I
When we
can.
will end the class?
Yeah, if I can.
Within few minutes. Within few minutes. Within few
Okay.
minutes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so can I leave?
Yeah, sure. We have done. You have completed your tasks. Thank you very much for sharing. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.
Did you enjoy the class?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ji, it's enough for today, I think. And I think Ibrahim didn't share. Ibrahim, how do you take care of a dog? Dog का ख्याल कैसे रखोगे? Yes, Ibrahim beta, unmute yourself and tell. Ibrahim. Yeah, Ibrahim. Are you there or not? Okay. Haris, you tell. How do you take care of a dog?
खिलाऊंगा.
You feed him?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Okay, now you kids, you tell me, did you enjoy the class?
Yes.
How much?
Good.
Very much. Did you enjoy the class, Haris?
Yes.
Yashpa?
Very much.
Okay, we talked about dogs today, right? Big dogs,
Yes.
big dogs, little dogs, strong dogs, and yellow dogs. We talked about dogs today. Okay?
Very much.
Animals, very much. Okay, thank you very much. So we'll see you tomorrow. I will send you the story into the group. और आपने क्लास के फौरन बाद ग्रुप में ऑडियो करके सेंड करना है कि आज की क्लास आपको कैसी लगी और आपने क्या सीखा, वो फौरन ऑडियो करके मुझे ग्रुप में बताएं. ओके ओके, सो विल सी यू टुमारो. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज. बाय बाय. बाय बाय.